Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, children. Welcome to the SDMES Boys English Medium School. Standard 2nd. Subject is EVS and the topic is weather. Today we will study about weather. What is weather? Weather क्या है? Condition of air around the earth is called weather. See, you can see on your screen. Condition of air around the earth is called weather. Factors affecting the weather, यानी factors जो weather को affect करते हैं. First of all, we have studied what is weather. So, condition of air around the earth is called weather. Let me clear the concept. Air यानी हवा, earth यानी धरती जहाँ हम रहते हैं, condition यानी position. तो what the given sentence wants to say, धरती यानी earth के आसपास जो हवा की position, air की position होती है, उसको वेदर कहते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दैट अफेक्ट्स द वेदर? वेदर को चेंज करने वाली कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं? द सन, द रेन, द क्लाउड्स एंड द wind. You can see on your screen. Look. Here you can see the picture of the sun, the clouds, the rain and the wind. It makes the weather and it is also responsible for the changes of weather. We will see how it makes the weather changeable. Sunshine, clouds, rain and wind. These are all known as the factors of weather. Weather keeps changing. It means that weather does not remain same all the time. हर वक्त weather एक जैसा नहीं रहता. It keeps changing. वह बदलता रहता है. And when the weather changes, we say it is morning, noon and evening. Okay? Now see, you can see on your screen the picture of morning, noon and evening. It is clear from the picture that in the morning you feel cool and at noon you feel very hot and in the evening again you feel cool. So by this we can now understand how sun affects the weather and helps in the changing from morning to evening. Now we will study about the types of weather. There are 6 different types of weather. Today we will study in this lesson. What are sunny weather? On clear days, the sun shines brightly. इसका क्या मतलब है कि जब स्काई क्लियर होती है, यानी जब क्लाउड्स नहीं होते, तब स्काई साफ होती है और सन लुक्स वेरी ब्राइट इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ क्लाउड्स. यानी जब क्लाउड्स नहीं होते स्काई में, तब स्काई कैसे दिखती है? वेरी क्लियर. वी कॉल इट अ सनी वेदर. ऑन सनी डेज द वेदर इज ड्राई. यानी सब सूखा सूखा नजर आता है. Again the other type is cloudy weather. Sometimes clouds cover the sky. See, you can see many clouds on your screen. The day is not clear. It means the clouds are visible in the sky and you cannot see the sun as it hides behind the clouds. We call it a cloudy weather. What do we say it is? A cloudy weather because the clouds are visible here. Now another is on rainy days the weather is wet. Okay, weather कैसा हो जाता है? Very wet. It means when there is clouds in the sky, it rains and you feel wet. Wet यानी गीला. Okay, तुम्हारे कपड़े भी गीले हो जाते हैं. You need umbrella at that time or raincoat and gumboots too. And dry यानी सूखा. तो what we study before that on sunny day you feel dry यानी सूखा. You don't need any umbrella or raincoat. And on cloudy day you feel wet यानी गीला यानी you have to use umbrella or raincoat to cover yourself and to be safe from rain. Also sometimes wind blows fast यानी first of all let me clear you all what is wind. Wind means moving air. Sometimes you can see that no leaves are fluttering यानी झाड़ पर या पौधों पर कोई पत्ते हिल नहीं रहे. And clothes hanging outside are very stable. That doesn't mean that there is no air, but it means that there is no wind. यानी हवा तो है पर वह चल नहीं रही है. So what we say, जो हवा चलती है उसे wind कहते हैं. Clear the concept of air and wind. Air यानी हवा and wind means moving air यानी चलने वाली हवा. Now what are we studying before? That sometimes wind blows very fast. कभी कभी हवा बहुत तेज चलती है. तब क्या होता है? Dust and leaves are blown here and there. जो पत्ते होते हैं सूखे सूखे, धूल मिट्टी वगैरह इधर उधर उड़ने लगती है. तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? Windy weather. Also the wind is slow mostly. और जब हवा धीरे धीरे चलती है उसे कहते हैं calm weather यानी everything looks very stable. ऐसा लगता है सब कुछ रुक सा गया है. Sometimes days are very cold. We call it a cool weather. Also there occur snowfall यानी ice fall in rain in place of water. पानी की जगह बर्फ गिरती है उसे snowfall कहते हैं. There occur snowfall at some places when it is very cold. So how many kinds of weather we have studied? First sunny weather, second cloudy weather, third wet weather, fourth windy weather, fifth calm weather and last cool weather. Clear the concept of weather, children. I hope you have understood it and enjoyed it. Thank you.